In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Lovable AI history. Whether you're a longtime user or you're just getting started, keeping track of your interaction history can be incredibly useful. It helps you refine how you use the platform, track past conversations, and retrieve any important information you might want to revisit. So let's jump right in and explore how you can easily access your history with Lovable AI. First up, you'll want to head over to the Lovable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. With just a moment to load, you'll find yourself on the main page, ready to begin the journey. Once you're on the site, your next step is to log in. On the home page, locate the Login option, usually positioned prominently at the top corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to the login interface, where you'll need to proceed with the third step. Here you will need to select Continue with Google. By clicking on this option, you streamline the login process using your existing Google credentials, making access both secure and seamless. Upon clicking, you'll see a prompt for Google account selection. If you're logged into several accounts on your browser, ensure you choose the account linked to your Lovable AI access. Simply click on your appropriate account to proceed. This step ensures that you're logging in with the right credentials attached to your Lovable projects. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open your project. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard where your projects are listed. Select the project associated with the Lovable AI history you wish to view. Clicking on it will take you into the project interface where all the magic happens. With your project open, locate the sidebar. You'll want to click on View Sidebar to bring up the chat area. This is a crucial area where interactions typically happen, and accessing it will allow you to proceed to the final steps. Lastly, within the chat view, find and click on the View History button. This is the moment you've been waiting for. This button opens up your chat history, giving you a comprehensive view of your past interactions on the platform. You can now explore, sift through old conversations, and retrieve valuable insights or information you may need. And there you have it. You have now accessed your Lovable AI history, allowing you to revisit and manage your interactions with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating Lovable and other digital platforms. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.